Hey everyone, I'm Fred Ranger and I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'm going on a trip to Burlington to test the Canon M50 as my main vlogging camera. And you see here, I did a little mod on my camera because the screen, the flip out screen was a bit hard to get out, and I want to be able to do that very quickly. So this is just a little small piece of tape. I think I saw Casey Neistat do that and I'm like, you know what, this is a great idea. So now I can go, you know, from the screen in the back to the screen flipped out very fast. So I'm very excited about testing the capabilities of this camera. I did actually shoot a little test and it was a slow-mo test because I wanted to test the 120 frames per second capability of this camera. It is good. I mean, it's quite grainy and it's 720p scaled to 1080p, but if you look at this video here, you'll be able to see for yourself and judge for yourself. I think for the size of it and the fact that it's very portable, I think it's quite decent slow motion capabilities. So you know what? Let's switch the camera. Let's go from the Fujifilm X100, no, the Fujifilm X-H1, so many Fujifilm cameras now. Fujifilm X-H1 to the Canon M50 and see what is the difference and how this camera actually performs for vlogging. I have the 15-45 lens attached to it. Let's just press record here and let's switch the cameras. And I am now on the Canon EOS M50 and I am super excited about that flip out screen because I can frame the shot, I can point the guitar here. This is something I was not able to do with the Fujifilm X-H1 or the X-T2 when I was vlogging with this camera. So very excited about that. I am also going to be testing the 120 frames per second on the road to get these very smooth shot and even 60 frames per second too. And the audio is being recorded on a Rode microphone Video Micro, and on the X-H1 it's actually a Rode Video Mic Pro. So I mean, you might see some little differences, and also the preamps are a little bit different, but right now as it is, I can see a little color shift, but in the end we'll put it in the computer and see how it goes. So let's go vlogging with the EOS Canon M50. Let's go. On our way to Burlington, Vermont. So there we are in Vermont. Burlington, getting ready to get to the Fleet Foxes show at the museum. But we're gonna get some food first, and one of the best pizza here in Burlington is definitely flatbread pizza. Would you agree with that? So let's go to flatbread. It's vibrating, it's our turn. Yes, pizza. There you go.
Sure, I do have a table outside of it.
So we were here for just the show, but we decided to actually stay and book a little hotel room in Vermont, in Burlington. So hey, you know what? It's all about seizing the opportunity, and we're gonna be staying at the very luxurious Holiday Inn Express. So we're in for a royal experience at the Holiday Inn. Yeah. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Okay, so after a very small 2-hour nap, we're back to life. We're ready to hit that Fleet Foxes show outside at the Shelbourne Museum out at Burlington. And look at the scenery, it's pretty amazing. This should be a very cool location for a show. I'm trying to record a video and Vicky's trying to disturb my video.
Yeah, yo.
So after a very good night of sleep and a very good show, Fleet Foxes, if you have the chance to go see them, please do, because we were amazed by their performance yesterday, and that was outside, beautiful scenery at the Shelbourne Museum in Vermont. Very cool. So today we're gonna go photograph some very cool places we saw along the route, but first we're gonna grab some food and then it's all about photography. So we just found out that there is a marathon going on in Burlington right now, so lots of activity in the center of the city, and even some Irish music played. Look at that.